and welcome back to By 1DM. I am 1DM. Welcome back to all my subscribers and welcome to everybody who is new here. If this is your first time here, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification so that you know the next time I post. I am 1DM, here to share all things real about the digital world, from education, job markets, and personal financial management for those new and old to the game. This is never seen before content for majority of us here, but I'm here to spill the beans on these digital secrets that we are unmasking today without wasting any more time. Grab your book, grab your pen, grab your paper, your friend, anybody that you want to share this video with. Send it to them now before you watch, and then afterwards get back into it so that we can deal with what we're talking about today. Today we are talking about saving money passively. 3 ways that I have used that have saved money and make money when I sleep. Let's go. So the first one is direct deposit savings. Do not be afraid to go to like 5 banks and ask them all if you were to deposit a certain amount of money every single month into that account, if the interest would increase per amount in the savings account, or if they're offering you a fixed interest rate, or if they could please see if they could give you a different interest rate because the money that you're about to put into this account is this much of money. Now, this is the money that I would say that freelancers, if you want to keep your tax money aside, once you make money, you automatically deposit your tax money into a different account. This is good. Get it high interest so that when you take the money out, there's still money left when you pay the tax man at the end of the season. Or you could use this account solely based on maybe saving up for a big ticket item, like for instance, a down payment on your home. So next one is the emergency fund, or as I like to call it, the FUM, the FUM money, the fuck you money, basically. The when I get a job and I feel like they're just doing too much crap, like babayin. Or if like COVID came and I had the emergency fund and it worked at that time because I had to step back from work. And at some point there was a lot going on. But anyway, the emergency fund will be your best friend. The first 4 months of you working, you take that money out. How you calculate your emergency fund is that you take all your necessary expenses, which are listed on the screen, and then you multiply them by 3. That is how much of money you need to set aside in order to be able to survive for 3 months if in the event of something bad happening. Okay, now with the emergency fund, please take it very seriously. High interest, very, very high interest. Shop around with banks. Next one, here we have the dividend reinvestment. So if you are a person who invests in stocks or index funds and you're getting a certain amount of money back, those are your dividends. And when you get that money back, you need to reinvest it. Don't spend it. Don't live off of it if you have a job. Otherwise, if you're retired and you're doing this for whatever reason, maybe take a small portion of that dividend and reinvest it in maybe different stocks or different index funds. Because I believe that with stocks that have been doing well in the market so far, keep those. I know that the stock is the market's gonna go down. Sometimes you're gonna lose money with them. Sometimes you're gonna have to sell. Depends on whatever your advisor says. But I say buy more and then get more dividends. So just you're going from 1 stream of income to 2 while you sleep, doing nothing. Okay. Now, finally, guys, always shop around with your interest. Always shop around for bank accounts that have high interest saving rates. Some of them, especially in the US, they pay you to join. So like maybe you'll get a $200 fee, or added to your account just because you're putting in your money there. I don't know about other countries, but I do know that there are some countries that do this as well. South Africa, I haven't found one that does it that way, but I do know that Time Bank does have higher interest rates. But I would say if you're South African Bank definitely has the highest interest rate so far with savings accounts. I definitely highly recommend. Now, the first 4 months of your pay are left for your emergency fund, guys, and reinvestment of profits from your investments for more investments is very, very important, guys. Okay, I apologize for that. But guys, reinvestment for your investments is very important. Now guys, to end it all off, to thank you guys for being here, hit that notification, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You are back again on my next Money Sunday so that you know what's happening. Because guys, money is key, and right now, as young people, we should be aiming to make money young, not make money so that we can retire. We need to get on that bandwagon of retire early and live off of our investments. So place your money in the right places, and next week I will most definitely be going into more detail about investments, about what are index funds, about all of that. So hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below if you want me to go into more details about something else. But I will be starting off with just index funds next week, guys. Thank you. It's been real. Love you all.